Dear students, myself V. Govindraj, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Application, Islamia College, Autonomous, Onembody. Students, I am handling subjects for Internet Lab. Only lab, only I am handling. First, go for what all the syllabus you have to study in a lab. But in your syllabus for totally for 8 exercise. But I'm including for in scripting level. Scripting level JavaScript I'm added for 4 programs. Totally I have to given for 11 exercise. In a first exercise, this is the general topic. I think already I have to study it in a first semester. OSW I have to study it for HTML. This is the basic concepts only if you are doing, but this is also you have to basic level, but you have to advanced level, you have to study it for JavaScript and jQuery. But I'm not giving for in-depth in this lab. I'm not in-depth, I'm not explanation. Why means you didn't study for any theoretical in this semester, but you have to study in sixth semester, same subject, same topic, but you have to study in a theoretically and lab oriented you have to study. But this is a skill based paper. That's why if you're giving for just giving a HTML internet lab, what are the basic method if you're including a HTML, and then for giving for what are the ends points only if you're giving for particular lab. Okay, so totally for 8 exercise. In your first exercise for creation of web pages using HTML, but I am including a many exercise also. For example, fifth exercise, web page with using for JavaScript level. But in between fifth exercise, if you including for A, B, C, D program also, you are converted for totally for increasing the exercise also. So based on your syllabus. Okay. So totally this is the syllabus. You just go through it. So first go for what is an HTML. I will explain for what all the things you have to study in HTML. After if you go for your programs. So first, I think what is meant by HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Just if you are creating a web page, that's why if you're giving for HTML is a markup language which is used by a browser to manipulate your text and images and other content to display in its required format. What all the required format if you're using for a generally HTML, we are declaring for pad tags and closing tags. This is a very important. If you're opening tag, compulsory you have to closing tag also. For example, HTML நான் open பண்ணிட்டேன், HTML tag நான் கொடுத்துருக்கிறேன். Next என்ன நான் mention பண்ணணும், you have to giving for your slash HTML. Okay. Next, what are all the mainly divided for 2 parts? It's a document parts. In a document for here, you just go for eight part and therefore body of the content. These contains the information about the HTML document. For example, title of the page, version of HTML, metadata. Metadata means you are declaring for data about data. Body of the statement, if you are declaring for this contains everything you want to display the web page only. Everything you want to display the web page only. For example, you just go for, so this is a common thing, document type HTML. This is the version of your tag. Is now you are not giving for any other closing. You're not any other giving a closing, just document type only. But this is the opening starting level. Yet tag, if you in between yet tag, if you're including for title part, next body of the statement you have separately. Finally, you just go for this tag used to tells a HTML version. This currently tells the version of HTML5. So creating a web page is in your first exercise. So HTML is called HTML root element. This is the main root. Finally, if you're closing HTML, this is a tag. You have to giving for open tag. Then if you're giving for closing tag. Okay. Yet tag contains for metadata. For example, CSS files. CSS, if you're including for CSS, base of your program, if you're only if you're giving for head. Body of the tag, if you're giving for enclose your text link. You have to give any other link process, link version. If you are giving for a rendering a body contents, your main head contents, what you are giving. If you are giving for CSS file, that's mean for cascading style sheet file, title file, base file, non-script. After that, script metadata. Main contents we are fully if you're including for head tag. Next, body of the content we are giving for just link files. Link, what all the link if you're including based on a link, you just giving a body of the contents. Okay. Next, you just go for jQuery. jQuery, if you have only one programs, if you do it in this internet lab. Later, if you discuss, but I giving for just in what you have to jQuery. Why means you just go for jQuery. This is the one of the selecting for just HTML, but and performs the actions for a action. Basic syntax if you're giving for dollar. jQuery if you're declaring for, you have to define means access a jQuery means dollar symbol. After that you just go for selector. Selector if you are giving for a to find the HTML element, jQuery actions, and then for perform the elements. So for example, you just giving for dollar this hide the current element. Next to dollar p hide the all paragraph elements. Next text hides all the class equal to text. Next dollar test dot hides of your id for your test. Okay, this is a basic method. So I giving a what are all the things if you're later if you're discussing this exercise, if you go for in a seventh and eighth exercise, I think so. I will explain for later, but I giving it before in a ints. This is the one of the HTML only, but if you're giving it just jQuery. Next is JavaScript. This is the exercise for you just go for a fifth exercise, but this is one of the JavaScript. If the function is defined the keyword, for example name followed by the parenthesis. Next function's name followed by the parenthesis. So these are all, for example parenthesis if you're giving for comma, so parameter 1 parameter 2 up to parameter n, in between executing a function place for open braces and close braces. That's why if you give for function name, parameters for parameter 1 parameter 2 parameter 3, and then you just go for code what you have to giving for executor. Parameters parentheses arguments values we have to invoke in a JavaScript level. Okay, you just understand. I think you have to understand, but once again, I giving a recall. So in your HTML, you have to consider for head tag and body tag. Compulsory, you have to closing tag is important. Singular tags, these tags do not be required. Is not working proper. But you just go for a head tag. You are declaring what are all the things you have to contain: style, title, base, no script, script metadata. You have to listen. This is the main basement of your program. If you are writing your HTML, you have to main basements. What you have to return in a head tag. If you are giving a head tag, head, next closing a head tag, in between middle, what are all the contents if you include this much of contents you must be include. That's mean you are not giving a no scripts you are not giving for closing a no script, but this is the base, very important basements of a NTF program what you are giving. I give a program level, in that time you have to understand. So after that body of the content, body tag this is the include for your text to links all the contents, what are the link contents if you are declared. So you just go for in your first exercise. In your first exercise, creation of a web page using the HTML5 different types. So I am giving for what are the things if you're giving HTML, title, body of the content, if you're giving for any other link level, any other link, what are the thing, heading, the giving for paragraph passages. Next, if you just giving for a center, next you just giving for what are the link you have to giving for font color, sizes, entire thing if you are declared. Next, you just go for main head tag. These are all we are giving for particular link based on a passages. This is the link code level. Next you just go for, these are all list. You have your entire thing. If you are giving a body of the statements, body of the statement, why means all the things if you are just giving a link only. So I'm not giving for add if you are giving for directly, if you are declaring in a head tag. So how will you execute a HTML program? Just I'm copying this program. For example, you just open the notepad, open the notepad. After the, in this notepad, empty notepad, you just type this coding. You just type the coding, type the coding, and then paste it. I'm giving it just copy and paste. I'm already worked it in this program. That's why I'm giving for just and cut and paste. If your students, if you have to type it, don't copy to the any other program. Just I save it your file, save for, already I given for executor, but create I already given for create.html. Now if you're giving for create one.html, based on you have to understanding purpose, I have to executor. Okay, just save it, save. Then you just, in which files if you save it, you have to save it for internet lab. In between create one is there. Just click and open. Just click and then open. So you're just giving for what you're giving, heading tags if you're giving, marquee tag if you're giving for simple HTML tag, heading tag in order wise display, text element paragraph you declare, line breaks tags you also you declare, next block quotations if you are declare, pre tags if you are declare, next logical styles, and then logical tags, next physical tag. What you are giving all those things if you have executed. So bold tag, font tag, this is the underline tag, and then for dash, based on entire thing execute. This is the your outputs. If you have any queries for about things, if you have very simple method, simple programs, not for difficulty in this lab, internet lab. Why means the basic HTML only, is not in-depth level. You have to change your coding means you are not changing your coding, but this much of creation of a web page, this is a basic format. I'm not giving for in-depth level. I think already if you're doing a first semester, if you're doing for creating a timetable also, you have to work out in a timetable also. But I'm not giving a just line tag, logical tag, physical tags only if you are given. Okay, you just next programs if you are discussed in your next class. Anyway, thank you.